Hi, good afternoon, everyone. The previous class we have discussed regarding the energy losses in pipes. Those are major losses and minor losses, and also we have seen the basic formulas for the different types of minor losses. So, in this class, I am going to explain the problems on calculation of the discharge and velocity for a different losses. So, here let's go for the problem. Number one, find the loss of head due to friction in a pipe of diameter 200 mm and length 60 meters when the velocity of water in the pipe is 2.5 meter per second. Use Chegis formula. Assume C is equal to 55. First of all, you have to understand the problem. He has asked that calculate the head loss in a friction, means he has asked HF value how much. So he has given remaining values are, so here we have to write the given data. D is equal 0.2 meters, length of the pipe is equal 60 meters, and velocity of water is equal 2.5 meter per second, and Chegis constant is equal 55. This is a given data. So he has asked that calculate the HF. So it is a relation between the Chegis formula and HF. It is V is equal C into V is equal to C into root mi. Here m is the unknown. So as you know, m is the hydraulic mean depth. It is the ratio of A by P. For the circular cross section, we can get D by 4. So from that we can get m value, and here H is the, it is a ratio of HF by L. So from that relation we can get HF value. So let's go for the solution here. So first of all, you have to calculate the hydraulic mean depth, that is m is equal to D by 4 for the circular cross section. Here A is the pi by 4 d square, P is the perimeter, means that is pi d. So after simplifying that, we can get m is equal to d by 4. So here you can get m value is 0.05 meters. Loss of head per unit length, we know that I is equal to HF by L. Here we have to substitute the all the values. Here we can get HF value. So V is equal to C into root mi as per Chegis equation. So here he has given that 2.5 velocity, and Chegis constant is 55, and just now we have calculated the above. In the above we have calculated 0.05 for m value. So L value is 60. So after simplifying this, we can get HF value is 2.48. So for a given problem, coefficient of head loss due to friction is 2.48 for a circular cross section of a channel. Let's go for the second problem, very important problem. A pipe 60 meters long and 15 centimeters diameter is connected to a water tank at the one end and flows freely into the atmosphere at other end. The height of water level in the tank is 2.6 meters above the center of the pipe. The pipe is horizontal and F is equal to 0.01. Determine the discharge through the pipe in liters per second if all the minor losses are to be considered. So we have asked that calculate the discharge through the pipe. So while we are calculating the discharge through the pipe, we should consider all the minor losses. So here let's go for the solution. First you have to write here given data. Length of the pipe is equal to 60 meters. Diameter of the pipe is equal to 15 centimeters. Height of water in the tank is equal to 2.6 meters. Coefficient of friction is equal to 0.01 meters. So asked Q is equal to how much? Area of the pipe. So we know that area of cross section of a circular section is pi by 4 d square. Here d is equal, he has given in 15 centimeters. It should be converted into the meters, so that will become 0.15 meters. Here we have to substitute the d value, then we can get area of the pipe is equal to 0.0177 meters square. So this is the problem. So the pipe is connected to the water tank. This is the water tank. Here the pipe is connected. This is the pipe. It should be connected to the water tank. from the center of the cross section, from the center to the top of a water tank, the height is 2.6 meters. So the length of the pipe is 60 meters, the diameter of the pipe is 15 centimeters. This is for a given problem figure. This is the figure for given problem. Here we may observe that here may observe the different losses in a pipe. This is in a pipe. This is in a pipe. In this pipe we may observe different losses. So this is due to exit of a pipe. The loss at the exit of a pipe, the loss at the entrance of a pipe, the losses at the losses due to the friction. So while you are calculating the discharge, we should consider these three losses in a pipe. This is an entrance at the pipe, this is an exit at the pipe, this is the friction due to a pipe. So first of all you have to write the formulas for the different losses. So here entry loss, frictional loss, exit loss. So formulas for different losses: 0.5 V square by 2G for the entry loss, FLV square by 2G for the friction due to friction, loss due to friction, V square by 2G at the exit of a pipe. Here we have to substitute the values. HF is equal 2.6 he has given in the problem. So we have to substitute above values in this formula, then we can get the value. V is equal 3.05 meter per second. So this is the V value, velocity, mean velocity of a flow, that is 3.045 meter per second. So here we have to substitute as per the discharge formula, Q is equal to area into velocity. So here we have to substitute the above values in this formula, then we can get 0.164 meter cube per second. This is the discharge of a given problem. Thank you everyone.